In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files to multiple folders in Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. Make sure that you're logged into the right account, so you have access to the files you're looking to work with. Once you're on your Google Drive, take a moment to locate your files. You might want to scroll through your documents, but if you're looking for something specific, using the search bar at the top can save you some time. Just type in the name of the file you're trying to find. Next, it's time to select the files you'd like to organize. To do this, simply hover your mouse over each file until you see a little checkbox pop up to the left of the file name. Click that checkbox to select the files you want to work with. You can select multiple files this way. Just keep clicking those boxes. Now that you have your files selected, we are going to copy them. If you're using a Windows computer, go ahead and press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. For those on a Mac, you'll want to press Command+C instead. This action will copy the files to your clipboard, preparing them for the next step. The next step involves navigating to your target folder. Find the folder where you want to add the file link and double-click on it to open it. If you don't have a specific folder in mind yet, you can easily create a new one right here for better organization by clicking on the New button and choosing Folder. Once you're in the right folder, it's time to paste those shortcuts. On a Windows PC, just press Ctrl+V, and on a Mac, use Command+V. Congrats, you've just created shortcuts to your original files. But let me clarify what this means. When you create a shortcut, you're not making a duplicate copy of the file, which is pretty cool. Instead, it links the same file to multiple folders. So here's the best part. If you make any changes to the file from one location, those updates will automatically reflect in all other folders where you've created shortcuts. This keeps everything organized and up to date without the hassle of managing multiple copies of the same file. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to save files to multiple folders in Google Drive. This method can be a huge time saver, especially when you work with a lot of documents and want to ensure they're accessible from various places without dealing with duplicate files. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips just like this one. Happy organizing!